Google allows you to deliver your ad in several different formats. And in describing the kind of ad formats that you have available to you, if you were to go to the YouTube ad homepage, you'll see that those kinds of ads are divided into three categories: awareness, consideration, and action. In order to make people aware of your brand, within the awareness process, you can use skippable in-stream ads, you can use what are called bumper ads, you can use non-skippable in-stream ads, and then what are called masthead ads. And each of these kinds of ads are designed to help make your potential customer aware of your brand. Then in the consideration process, you can use skippable in-stream ads. And again, here the goal is to make as many people aware of your products and services as possible. Skippable in-stream ads are ads that run before, during, or after a video plays, and that give the customer the opportunity to click away from the ad. Within the action process, you have video action ads and discovery ads. Video action ads do have a call to action and are skippable and run before, during, and after a video plays. Discovery ads basically use images to reach people as they're browsing on their YouTube home tab as well as their Watch Next feeds. And coming back to the awareness category, bumper ads are non-skippable and are primarily very quick ads. Non-skippable in-stream ads play before, during, and after the video and force the customer to watch the entire ad. Masthead ads appear at the top of the YouTube home feed but do not play during your customer's video. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check the specifications for each kind of ad to determine how you want to create the ad and how you're going to run the ad. You're also going to want to be aware of the bidding approach for each kind of ad as you set it up to go with your budget. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. YouTube has a tool to help you to find your audience. If you go to this tab that says How It Works, and you then click on this link that says Find Your Audience, you're going to come to this page. If you click on the link that says Find My Audience, that'll bring you to this page. What you'll then want to do is to select the parameters that apply to your business. You can decide that you want to have an in-market segment, or you can decide that you want to have people that are related to what your business offers. We are first going to work with an in-market segment. You can then select your category. You can then click Start Now. What you'll then do is to choose the segment that best reflects your audience. Once you do that, you're going to click and choose the segment. You can then add this audience segment to your profile. Once you've added all the segments to your profile, you can then click this link that says Get My Audience Profile. YouTube will then send your audience profile in your inbox, and you can download the profile here from this link. Within your audience profile, you will see the channels that the individuals that you will be targeting in this segment are primarily watching. And this will give you an idea of what your ad needs to say and what is on the mind of the people who are within this segment. You'll also see primarily what these individuals within this profile are researching and planning to purchase. What you'll also see at the very end are niche subcategories of the audience that you're going to be targeting, and this will help you in order to create the profile for your YouTube ad. So by using Find My Audience, you'll have insight on the kind of targeting that you will be doing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you. Welcome back. Now, the other way to use the Find My Audience tool is to look at an affinity segment. And when you look at an affinity segment, what you're trying to do is you're trying to find an audience that will be similar to the one that you are targeting. And so what you're going to do with an affinity segment is you're going to select a specific category of people who have interest and habits like the audience that you're going to be targeting. Once you choose the affinity segment, you're then going to click Start Now. And once we have a segment, we can then choose a specific aspect of that segment. And what you're going to see are different elements that you can drill down into. You can drill down into specific channels. You can drill down into specific aspects of the segment. You can also see what YouTube suggests in terms of where these individuals have interest as it relates to videos that they watch on YouTube. And each time you drill down into a segment, you'll have different elements that you can begin to look deeper into. You'll see where these individuals are likely to shop, and then you'll be able to see different segments that you can drill down further into. And what you're getting is an idea of where you can target your video based on the interest of the individuals in these affinity groups. What you can do is add different segments to your profile so that you'll be able to look further into them. And YouTube basically gives you these profiles so that you can make better decisions about the ads that you create and about how wide of a net that you'll cast in terms of the audience that you are looking for. The Find My Audience tool is basically designed to help you to find new audiences outside of those that you would target with your specific product or service. And what you are looking for in an affinity audience is to find out where you can appear with your video ad that might be effective outside of the normal channels. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. We are now going to start the process of starting a new campaign. We're going to select a specific account. We're going to choose our objective, which is going to be sales. We're then going to click Continue. We're then going to click Video Advertising. We're then going to click Continue. We're then going to set our daily budget. We're then going to choose our networks, and we are running YouTube ads, so our networks are pre-selected. We're going to choose the location where we are going to interact. We're going to choose the language our customers speak. We can choose our inventory, and we're going to go with the recommended inventory, which is standard inventory. We're then going to choose which audiences we want to exclude. We can choose whether to add additional links to our advertisement. We're then going to click Save. We're then going to give our ad group a name. We can then choose specific demographics, and we can choose household income. Now, if we have decided on specific audience segments, we can choose it here in this area. And it's here where we can determine if people have specific interests or purchase intentions. We can include them here in this area. If we want to have people that have previously interacted with our business, we're going to place that information here. And it's here where we're going to choose our in-market segments based on the research that we did with our Audience Finder tool. Now it's here where we can choose a video, or we can create a video in a few steps. And we're going to walk back through this process here in this area, and we're going to stop the video here and create a video. Okay, we're going to open this link in a new tab. We are then going to select a specific template. We're then going to click Use Template. We're going to give our video a name. We're going to choose specific brand colors. We are now going to upload a logo, and we're going to click Upload. We're going to choose the files to upload. And we are going to enter the rest of our images here in this area. We will then enter the text for our video ad. We're then going to choose our font and our music. We are then going to create our video. And our video is now being created. Once our video is created, we can then upload it to our storage channel. And our video is being uploaded to our storage channel. We now have the URL for our video. What we now want to do is we want to go to our asset library and we want to create the voiceover. We're going to click Create. We're going to check Video and we're going to click Add Voiceover. We are going to grab the video that we just created. If we place our cursor in here, we'll grab the video. We'll then click Enhance Video. What we're now going to do is we're going to add in our video message. We're going to select a specific voice, and we can now test our video voiceover. We can now create our video, and our video is now being generated. And we now have our video ad. We're going to stop the video here, and we're going to come back and we're going to complete our video ad and make it ready for our campaign. Okay, so back. Now that your video is in place, we can then fill in the other information that the ad platform needs. We're first going to write in the final URL. We're then going to fill in our call to action. We're then going to write in our headline. You can add in a companion banner, and YouTube will auto-generate that banner, or you can upload an image. If you choose to upload an image, you'll need to make sure that that image is going to be 300 by 60 pixels. For the sake of this video, we are going to auto-generate the banner. We are going to give the advertisement a name. And you can see what your ad will look like here in this area. And you can preview the ad on YouTube. Now we have the sound turned off, but you can see how the ad will actually look here on YouTube when it is going to be played. What we can now do is click Create Campaign, and we can now continue to our campaign. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to pause the ad group. However, when you'd be ready to run your advertisement, you can then run the advertisement. You will need to have your payment account funded, and then your ad will go through an approval process to determine if it's acceptable for the Google Ad platform.